So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find rentals with air conditioning in them here on Redfin. So once Redfin's opened up, I want you to go and press on the rent tab right here. Then select your city. So I'll use New York City for this example. And if all is good, press on search. Now once you're here, I want you to go to the filters tab right here, press on that. Then I want you to scroll down all the way to where it says amenities. And where it says air conditioning, make sure that air conditioning is checked. Then go to the bottom right and press on see homes. And there you go. Your search has now been refined to units that offer air conditioning in them. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. That is how you guys can find rentals with air conditioning here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching and hope this video helps.